DeepSeek versus OpenAI. Which is the best and which is the most easiest for everyone? Recently, China has launched a brand new app, which is AI app, and the name of this app is DeepSeek. And this app is also called by R1, which is called a competitor of OpenAI, launched by United States of America. Now, question is coming in their mind: what is AI? How does it works? What is OpenAI? What is DeepSeek? So let me tell you first that AI, artificial intelligence, which is also demand the robot. Some scientists and some researchers think that it's dangerous for human, and some people think that it's helpful for human beings. But however, AI makes our life very easier than other time. Like if we want to search anything, we can search an OpenAI like ChatGPT. But in 2025, recently, 1 week ago, China has launched a brand new AI app, which is called DeepSeek R1, and it is called a competitor of ChatGPT, OpenAI. Actually, the work are same but it has much facility than OpenAI. DeepSeek is much facility. I have downloaded both of them, and I have seen that, and most of the researchers and people are saying that DeepSeek is more smarter and more faster than that one. And within short time, it is #1 ranked AI app in the entire world. So you can say the importance of AI in our life is very great. But I'm making this video for English learners. So how can you learn this language? How can you learn this language by AI apps? Exactly. So let me tell you first that if you wanna write something, so you can write. If you have any question in your mind, you can talk with AI like your partners. So AI is very helpful for English learners, and you can say that most of the people nowadays, those who doesn't exist any kind of partner in their home at their school, they practice their spoken English with AI, and it is really very helpful for them. First, let me tell you, it is very faster. I have checked it, but I think that DeepSeek is getting more popularity than that OpenAI. And like this, the stock marketing has been downing for USA. Actually, it is very bad news for someone, and it is very good news for someone. But I think we are neutral. We want to show you that how can you learn this language. You can download the both OpenAI and this DeepSeek. Both of them you can check and learn in this language. But however, you have to learn this language English. However, let me tell you in the comment box which is your best AI app, OpenAI or DeepSeek. DeepSeek is launched by China, and OpenAI is launched by United States of America. But now the question about some people would think that as DeepSeek is launched by Chinese, it's a Chinese company, so the warranty is so low, but not exactly like that. Because the China and the USA is the most economic country in the world, so they are trying to become the best and to cross each other. That's why recently China has launched DeepSeek as the competitor of OpenAI, launched by United States of America. So that's what I'm saying you. If you want to learn this language, I think AI will really help you. And truly speaking, I don't want to say you which is best, but I want to show you can use both of them to learn this language. So thank you so much for watching this video until then. If you got any kind of information from this video, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe and follow Muslim Mams English too. See you later on a new interesting video with a new topic. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.